Hello and Kardom, I'm Merlin Indicatherapy and you're watching Northeast Karbi Life, the Mirror Society. Every day we try to bring you with the latest update about what's going on in Karbi Anglong. But today, apart from that, I would like to brief out about the incident that took place in Kolkata. A 31-year-old trainee doctor who is allegedly raped and murdered in the hospital, RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. After a long duty hour, she went into seminar room to rest. But then on August 9, she was found dead in the seminar room with no clothes and her legs were widened into a 90 degrees apart. And from then on, the nationwide is protesting regarding this incident. And lots of people as well as the protesters is raising the question that why is it really happening in India? Because we are living in the 21st century, the systematic and safety towards women should have been upgraded, but unfortunately we are failed to see that since day by day murder, rape, torture towards women is increasing day by day. And also the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party is the ruling party of the Indian government, and they have a slogan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Then if they are unable to protect the women's, then what is the use of using that quotation? Additionally, what could we expect from judiciary system? Like in many cases, we are able to see that if the culprit belongs from a very high-profile background, then the administrative or the judiciary system is unable to provide justice to the victim. Today, I'm standing here in Matipum Tinyali, Difu Karbi Anglong. Here, Human Rights International Federation and Song Bhijan Ingtikathar, who is the ex-chairman of PDCK, in the memory of Dr. Momita, to seek justice for her.
Kedam tang August 9 ni Dr. Momita Debnath alang lifan rape laben murder la so phuthak sipini nitum la candlelight memory la kibi nitum Human Rights International Federation Karbi Anglong la so committee ben sinitum la kibi la sinitum nonapor isi kamatha kisung bangel lalo munita tuma mentality la son pina kedam tang iltum chini lo Karbi Anglong bet na la son victims do ulo sumila rong hang pi pen cheng lok kapre tumta la son phonang lo la penon het la Dr. Momita Debnath alang lifan la son rape kurisi murder kuri la bangen nitum condemn lo la si nitum government of India phan nitum chuningri ye phan ke prabjin ben la culprits phan nep nangji nep si isi mane thetan isi punishment pinangi la hello nitum akimang la sokimang ben si pini nitum Karbi Anglong District Committee Human Rights International Federation ben la so candlelight memory la kipi ke kol slogan ben chota lahai hormuke ili prevenun e athima la ke munit tum morality a question do munit tum ko son ma aning kamatha la so he la si la hai bang psychologist tum ben lang si ba ka do we overall la so itum munit aning kamatha la phan study si emni enangi kalite lage feremi melo la si isi government hisab ke responsibility ke dolo hai la sinili pui bangke okol la penchota kali mane la so la prevention je phanke isi mane ain da sabsu mane engtang chet nangi la si nili pui ninghang la pen ke peposipini to society munit to mentality chohoi si la son akheng nu matharong ma kunat pen sigi bang ma munit tum la son akheng nu matha ku pijo hoi ma la son matharong kunat sigi chokchi ma tum social system kunat si chokchi ma question ke la lo he nili la si government tum initiative enang po kalite itum society longe mo isia por hoke mane kupra ho security bang abidat po biheke la aja kong kabi arlo suma tumbang he tumbang mane ansu sia kisung phunang kok pu la hen le government phan ni tu chuning ri ke
নিয়ই হয় আৰু এই ইনজাস্টিস বা এই ৰেপ এই ধৰ্ষণ অকল এগৰাকী মহিলাৰ প্ৰতিয়ে নহয় প্ৰত্যেক সমাজৰ প্ৰতি গোটেই সমাজখনক ৰেপ কৰা বুলি আমি ভাবিব লাগিব প্ৰত্যেকখন ঘৰতে ভাবিব লাগিব প্ৰত্যেকটা মানুহে ভাবিব লাগিব প্ৰত্যেকখন ঘৰৰ এই যি মমিতা দেৱৰ 9 আগষ্টত এই ধৰ্ষণ কাণ্ড হৈ উঠিলে তাৰে বাবে আমি ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল হিউমেন ৰাইটছ ফেডাৰেশ্যনৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি গৰিহণা জনাইছোঁ তীব্ৰ গৰিহণা জনাইছোঁ আৰু তাৰ লগতে আমি এই যাতে কাণ্ড আৰু নহয় তাৰ বাবে চৰকাৰক আমি আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ যাতে তাৰ বাবে প্ৰত্যেকটো পদক্ষেপ যি ল'বলগীয়া হয় বিবেচনা কৰি যাতে সেই পদক্ষেপ লোৱা হয় নাৰী সমাজৰ সুৰক্ষাৰ বাবে আৰু লগতে তেওঁ যাতে অনতিপলমে ন্যায় পায় তেওঁৰ ন্যায় যাতে বঞ্চিত নহয় লাঞ্ছিত নহয় তেওঁ তাই ন্যায় পাবৰ বাবে আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো নাৰী তেতিয়াহে সুৰক্ষা পাব এই কৈ পেলাই মোৰ বক্তব্য
vigeal candle light in remembrance of our Dr. Momita Debnath from West Bengal. So out here in our district, we have been facing a lot of, we have been heard about most of the rape cases out here in Karbi Anglong district. So what we would like is that we are from a Human Rights International Federation. Under this banner, we are standing for human rights, and this, and then human rights itself is a, it's a program that it covers a broad sense. So rape is not for only women. Okay, I would like to spread this news to entire nation also. This rape is not for only women, it is for all the human races, and so we are against this. So we really appeal to the government of Assam and the government of India to take a severe action against the culprit and find out. And we are very sorry about our own sister just a couple of years ago, late Sumila Rohangpi. We haven't got a justice. So we approached to our Karbi Anglong Women's Council also to take to this matter so that we can get a proper justice.